The materials you'll have for this titration: two types of hydroxide salt. This is sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. You'll have 1 molar HCl. It may be in a bottle like this or like this. Chemists abbreviate molar as capital M, so if it says 1 capital M, that means 1 molar. You'll also have this tube. You haven't seen one or used one of these before. It's called a Buret, and it's a measuring device. I'll show you how to use it. You'll have a clamp attached to your ring stand. It's made specifically to hold a Buret, so it's spring-loaded. Your Buret may already be set up for you, but if not, that's how you clamp your Buret securely. The bottom of a Buret has what looks like a dropper tip. It's very fragile, so please don't break it. You'll need to place your stirrer, magnetic stirrer, under the Buret tip. This is the best way to do it. You'll notice there's a hole here in the back, and it should be lined up with this post here. The height of the Buret should be adjusted so that the beaker used won't collide with the tip. So here, I'll raise it up. Now this is perfect. I won't break the Buret tip. Before you load your Buret, make sure the valve is closed. If it's crosswise, that's closed. Open, closed. Recommend you use a funnel, and then add your acid, as the instructions say, until the level gets up to around the 20 mark. Then remove your funnel. Lots of students forget to do that. Next, you want to learn how to work the valve. Give everybody in your group a chance to do this. This is just an empty beaker, and you want to learn, how do I turn it off? How do I turn it on? How do I turn it off? How do I make it go slowly? That's slow. That's nice. It's beautiful. How do I make it go fast? Whoa, don't too fast. Okay, so you need to have control over your Buret. You can see right now it's a nice slow drip, and that will be required to do your titration well. You can see that in the Buret you've got the water level is really curved. That's called a meniscus. Also notice it's backwards from a graduated cylinder. 22 is here, 23 is here. So when you have a meniscus, the rule is read the bottom of the meniscus. So where it's curved, read the bottom of the curve. So this is 22.1, 22.2. This is 22.3 milliliters is the starting level in the Buret. You'll be doing lots of calculations in this lab, so make sure you're using the calculator. You'll notice that on the post there's a code. Table 8, calculator A. This is calculator 8A. It belongs right there. Push it to the top, please.